There you go, yes. Recording, that is something I do here on South Coast Level Crossings, and here we are. Hello everyone, it is Saturday the 7th of February at 12:46 in the afternoon, and we are here in a place called Bentley Heath in the southeast of the Birmingham area, West Midlands, and we're near to Dorridge station. And that is the direction the next train is coming from. We've got a cross-country service, a Chiltern Railways service from London Marylebone to Birmingham Moor Street, and that is going to be a 6-coach train, apparently. I came here on a 7-coach train, which is an odd number for a train, but we've got a 6-coach train from London Marylebone to Birmingham Moor Street. Wow, you can see I travel on cross-country quite a lot. And it is train number 1 Romeo 25. Left London Marylebone at 11 minutes past, I cannot speak today, 2 minutes past 11 this morning, and is currently on time, which is very good, and it's currently at Dorridge station platform now, so it shouldn't be too long before the service to Birmingham comes through. According to my real-time trains, this train also stops at Bordesley at 13:01, which I don't know whether that's correct. That's what real-time trains is saying to me. But anyways, I think I hear the engine of the train coming. Yep, I can see on the Open Train Times maps that it is arriving somewhere in this direction. So I'm going to shut my gob, and you enjoy the train passing through while I'll try and get some sort of decent photo with my other camera, which I shall get out now and set up, and enjoy the train. You might hear some clicking noises, that's me. Get the correct settings, there we are. Ooh, train's coming. Very noisy pair of 168s there. Not the best photo, to be honest, it's a little dark. Oh well. Now, are we waiting for another train? That is the question. If that is the case, I need to talk for about 20 million minutes more. So let's go and see what the train is, what is the next train. We've got a West Midlands Railway service by the looks of it, to Charlie 47, and it's going to jump in and slot behind the Birmingham service that's just gone past. This West Midlands Railway service is terminating here, at Dorridge. Not here at the crossing. That would be a bit weird. There we are. Okay, cool. 2 Charlie 47 approaching now, and this is a West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Foregate Street to Porridge. So yeah, that's approaching now. In fact, it's approaching right behind me, so I'm going to do some sort of photograph here. There we go. Excellent. Well, thank you for watching. and I shall see you in the next video. Yeah, thanks for watching South Coast Crossings. Goodbye.